Welcome to day 20. For today's sweet treat, I will be making these spooky eyeball treats. You will need donut holes, white candy melts, Gummy Life Savers, wooden skewers, and black icing. Start by melting your candy in a microwave-safe container with a little coconut oil. Add a donut hole to a skewer. Dip the donut hole, coating it completely, and add it to a parchment paper-lined cookie sheet. Add a Gummy Life Saver and top with a drop of black icing. Place them in the freezer for about 10 minutes to set. Remove the skewer and add a fun, tiny fork for serving. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.